In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sales goals in HubSpot. Whether you're running a small business or managing a sales team, setting clear and achievable goals is essential for tracking progress and driving results. Let's dive in and get started with creating your sales goals on HubSpot. First, you'll want to head over to HubSpot's homepage. Simply open up your web browser and type in hubspot.com into the search bar. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on login and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. It's important to have your credentials handy as you'll need them to access your account. If you encounter any issues, you can always reset your password via the forgot password feature. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your HubSpot home dashboard. From here, look at the navigation menu at the top. You're going to click on Reporting. This section within HubSpot is your go-to place for understanding how well your sales efforts are performing. After selecting Reporting, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, you'll want to click on Goals. HubSpot provides numerous tools to measure KPIs and objectives, and this particular section is specifically tailored to tracking goals. Now that you're in the Goals section, you'll see a button labeled Create Goal. Click this button to start setting up your new sales goal. This action begins the process and initiates a guided setup where HubSpot helps streamline goal creation. It's user-friendly and allows you to focus on defining what you truly want to achieve without getting bogged down by technicalities. For a convenient start, consider clicking on Create from Template. HubSpot offers a variety of templates tailored to different sales objectives, which can significantly speed up the setup process. Templates include predefined parameters and metrics that can be particularly useful if you're unsure of how to structure your goal from scratch. Using a template ensures that all necessary elements are included, aligning with best practices for effective goal setting. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have just created a new sales goal in HubSpot. Remember, setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals will help you and your team maintain focus and drive sales performance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more of HubSpot's features to maximize your business's potential. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy selling!